regarding about her dead mom, and so many misunderstandings, and of course a little bit emotionally, so yours had been continued. Yours had continued the topic, of course. So I was a little bit emotional in a little while back, because I was also explaining to American Pinay crew how I stopped my work so that I am going to take care of my mom for 2 years. So I stopped my work for 2 years. I actually resigned from my work for 2 years to take care of my mom. So if she hadn't passed away, so I will not actually continue my work. I have to end my work forever if she had been there, no. But of course, I had to continue my life, and God had removed her to stop her pain. So that's how I think about it, that God had removed her so that she will never experience pain again. And of course, it's also an open door for me to continue my life. So thank you so much, here, John, in your channel, and I'm listening into your topic. uh, I am very much observant to people. Bakit? Natutulugan ko kasi yan. Minsan na late ako ng gising kaya lalagpas. Minsan naabot ako ng 11. Minsan nga, maabot na ako ng 12 hours mahigit eh. Kasi natulugan ko. So, yun. Hindi ko matansya kasi minsan talagang natutulugan ko siya. Kasi ganyan yan. Nag-live ako ng 8, minsan magising ako ng 1:00. Pagdating ng 3:00, matutulog ako ulit. Pagtulog ko ulit, ayan, minsan lumagpas na, naabot na ako ng 8:00. Nagising ako ng 8:00 or what. Kaya lalagpas talaga ako ng lalagpas ako ng kahit anong oras diyan. Hindi ko mawawari. Of course, kung kaya ko talaga. Talagang 10 hours. Pero yung pagod na pagod ako. Yan, wag mo akong pagalitan. Wag mo akong pagalitan nga kasi pag pagod ako talagang ganun ang nangyayari. Natutulugan ko yan, nasusobrahan kaya ano. Hindi ko na naman alam eh, wala namang message sa akin si YT. Sir Pamix, thank you so much. Yan. Okay, let's read. Let's read. See you later. I have to get a shower and shave, wash. All 3 weeks of laundry and dishes here. Very busy. Thanks and see you later. Thank you, John Merrill, for coming, of course. Happy to see you. Good evening po, Sir Pamix. Thank you so much. I grew up with no grandfather and great grandparents who passed away before I was born. But my grandfather, my dad's father, passed away in the 80s with sugar diabetes. Tambay, thank you so much, Sir Pamix, sa support po. Thank you so much. Ayan. So, of course, John Merrill, I will not watch all this 35 minutes, okay? I will just be having 5 minutes here because I still have to watch others. Okay, John Merrill, I hope you understand. Thank you so much.